So the signs are almost always there. You see the puffiness on your laptop, you see your keyboard bulging, you see the touchpad bulging. It's often a symptom that the battery is going bad. You may see some abnormalities with the battery as well, in terms of you losing power very quickly. You have to do some kind of a magic trick to get the laptop to turn on. Don't wait till you get to that point. See us first at www.high5jamaica.com. We can help you with your battery issues, charging port issues, charger issues, all kind of issues. We are your absolute #1 choice. Don't let puffy batteries get out of control. Let us help you with them. high5jamaica.com.